What's up, y'all? So this morning I'm putting on this Ultra Racing front tower bar. I just got it from K5 Optima. I'm putting it in, and it's super simple operation. So much that I almost didn't even want to make a video at all for it, because it's just these 14 bolts, 14 millimeter bolts right here, 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, and you only need to do these 2 right here. But the one thing that I did want to just make a quick note about, and I'm pretty sure most people just figure this out on their own, but it won't sit down because of this diagnostics port right there. And the only thing you need to do is just take this bolt right here. It's a 10 millimeter single bolt, and take this out, and comes right out, and you can get it out of the way. And I figured I was just going to use some zip ties to secure it somewhere else until I find some other more elegant way of securing it. That's about it. It should now sit down where it's supposed to, and then just simply secure it back, and that'll be that. I'm excited.